Hello everyone, I'm Thanasis and welcome back to Better Greek. There are some Greek letters that look exactly or almost exactly like English letters, and that's so confusing to many Greek learners. In this video, you learn the 6 most confusing Greek letters and how to say them correctly. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. The 6 most confusing letters in Greek are epsilon, eta, ni, rho, ypsilon, and he. Let's start with epsilon. Epsilon is tricky because the Greek epsilon looks like the English E. It's pronounced E as in pen, so that's the sound E, and not E as in B. The sound is E and not E. For example, Eleni, Eleni. The next letter is called eta. Eta is tricky because the Greek eta looks like the English N. It's pronounced E and not N. E and not ni. For example, Danai, Danai. The next letter is ni. Ni is tricky because the Greek ni looks like the English V and it's pronounced N and not V. N, not V. For example, Anna, Anna. The next tricky letter is called Rho. Rho is tricky because the Greek Rho looks like the English P and it's pronounced R and not like the P. It's R and not P. For example, Rania, Rania. The next tricky letter is called Ypsilon. Ypsilon is tricky because the Greek Ypsilon looks like the English U. It's pronounced E and not U. It's E, not U. For example, Πολύ, Πολύ. And then it's he, he. He is tricky because the Greek he looks like the English X. It's pronounced like a strong H and not like the X. It's he, not xi. For example, όχι, όχι. That's all for today. Now you know how to read correctly even the most confusing Greek letters. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. Τα λέμε!